execution has been stayed. I don't normally put this type of stuff on my videos, but I'm going to. I haven't really been focusing too hard on it, but if the poor man is innocent, then I don't mind putting it up, even if it is only 294 subscribers. However, I think it's important. To the universe out there, how are you all this morning? Well, I'm good, and guess what type of day it is? I'll give you a 360, but I've got to face the wind because it ruins my hair otherwise. God, listen to that poor fucking dog. Someone's got a puppy. I hope to God they don't mistreat it and give it back in the new year. Just found myself a topic. It's terrible, isn't it, how people do that? Yes, and smoke too, but it's terrible how people get animals as Christmas gifts, and then New Year they realise how difficult it is, and they take them back to a shelter or the RSPCA, or just dump them. I've been doing a bit of charity stuff lately, and you just got me thinking, okay, so I've done some kokodamas, and I've been doing some crocheting and some knitting for the local nursing homes. Yes, I crochet, people, and yes, I knit, but only the basics. So I just had another thought. I might do some sort of drive or fundraiser or collect stuff that the shelters need for this time of the year. I know food is a big one, but then Woolworths and Coles are doing that with their big basket donations at near the checkouts. So if you ever need Woolies and Coles, don't hesitate to donate through those big crates. You can put dog food in and all that type of stuff, and cat food, any type of food actually. So, alright, food for thought. You got me thinking. So I'll come up with some ideas. I'll brainstorm today, and I will write them down, and I'll take a photo of it. What was that? I don't know, but anyway, it's not going to die now. So I'll write them down, and you guys can tell me what ones I should do, or what ones you deem as probably necessary, more so than other stuff like food. I know they need blankets, so always take blankets, and towels. They need towels as well. So I'll see what I can do. I'll sort out my cupboard today with a bit of help from the young ones. I'll be back real soon with hopefully a lovely collection of towels and blankets for the doggy and the pussycats and the guinea pigs and the mice. BRB. Good day for a swim. Join me later. In between, cleaning out my towels, blankets for the animal shelters. Welcome back again. So my list is doing okay, but I've hit a bit of a curveball in the sense that it's stinking hot. We didn't turn the aircon on till late, so I've been sweating my guts out. I just had to shoot down to the doctors because these spasms are giving me the cranky poos. Oh boy, what a day. It's a good day though. It's a beautiful day, as I've already said. And what's even better is somebody approached me today with an apology, and he's finally getting the help he needs. He's going back to his counsellor. Hallelujah, Lord, there is one after all. Tell me down below in your comments whether anyone else suffers or has felt depression and anxiety in the past. Even still, what about bipolar or mood disorder? Tell me about that. Bit of ASMR for you guys. See what I mean? They're quite surreal, aren't they? Just watching the ripples of water over the pool. They're mesmerising, actually. And it's just nice. So I think we're going for a dip now.